back to A Day with Delinda K, and I am so hyped about this review right here I'm about to do. So I know y'all scroll on Facebook. Some of y'all scroll and troll. That's fine as well. But I wanted to share this lovely, lovely wig with you. And yes, it is a headband wig, and it is human, honey. I am too hyped about this. So guess where I got it from? Yes, I got it from LUVMEHAIR. I can't wait. So let's see what's in the box. Oh, honey, they wrap this thing like a gift. Ooh, you can keep that ribbon, honey, put it in the little girl's hair. So it says LUVMEHAIR Affordable Luxury Wig. Affordable. It is. It's affordable. So opening it up, it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LUVMEHAIR. Isn't that sweet, Helena? Thank you so much, sugar. Cute little note. Okay, so this is, of course, the wig. I'm just gonna put this to the side. It comes in this cute little drawstring bag. A little drawstring bag. Isn't it the cutest? And then it comes with, honey, they done gave you a whole slew, as country folks say. A whole slew of headbands. Look at this. Because it's a headband wig, you know. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at all these. Look. And just to think, I was about to drop y'all a link for to get some from Amazon, but I'm still going to. This is what they look like. And they not cheap. They're expensive. They're thick. They're nice. Look at these. This is the army fatigue. This is just a regular decor one. This is my leopard print. I got like 5 of them now. This is another cute little print right here. And then this nice springy print right here. That's cute. I like y'all loving me already. Yes, y'all might get a forever customer because y'all know how to give. Okay, so here goes some cute little things they got. Oh, you girl. No, they didn't. Look at what they give you. This cute little gonna be my makeup bag in the future. But anyway, cute little makeup bag. Girl, you got an edge brush. They gave you an edge brush. You got some bobby pins. Girl, you got elastic band. Look, it keeps giving. A Love Me clip. Girl, everybody love a pair of tweezers for these lashes that I know they probably gonna give you. And you get a cute, this is a cute little bag all by itself. You can put your makeup in here. It's cute, okay? She gave you, this is the Lay My Edges Down wrap, honey. That's what I call it. So they give you that. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's so cute. And then they give you a wig cap. Okay? And then it's a cute little, and they give you a little brochure of more wigs come on how to use it and a care note. So you really definitely will want to read over it in your spare time. But honey, we know, you know, I gave y'all a lot of pointers on how to put these wigs on. So let's get her out. Ooh, I'm excited. I am so tired. Y'all understand? This is wet and wavy. Okay? And so I got her in a 1B. But this is what she looks like coming out. Oh, just a new smell to it. That's not, you know, just her average smell. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is some good hair. This is some, and it's human. I can do what I want, honey. I can straighten it and do what I want to do with it. Oh, I'm so hyped. I am so hyped. Yes. This is in, I want to say it's 18 inches. I think, yeah, 18 inches. So this is 18 inches. Let me shake it around. You know what I do. Okay, so this is 18 inches. It might be 14. I can't remember. I'm gonna have to make sure. When I make sure, I will put it in the video exactly the inches that I bought. But it is no shedding. It's coming out the pack bad as a bone. Okay, bad to the bone out the pack, honey. This one I ain't got no complaints. It's soft. So what we're gonna do is, of course, I'm going to do my edges real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, ladies, I am returning. So it's time to go ahead with the tutorial. So, like I told you, it don't shed or anything. Now, this is my human hair headband wig. I'm not about to, put a whole lot of water on it right now. It is human, so if I feel like straightening one day, I could do that, and then it'll bounce right back to wet and wavy. I chose wet and wavy because that's what I probably wanted to do. I mean, I wanted to maybe rod it or whatever and wear it like that, and I didn't just want to, straighten. That's what it is. So here we are. It's got 3 combs. It's got 3 combs. 1, 2. Excuse my nails. I have to tell y'all, I'm going to get them done Saturday. It's just been a nightmare. But anyway, it's hard for me to get there because it's hard because I work all the time. But anyway, I'm going to get my nails done. So it's 3 combs, 1, 2, 3, and then it is 1 comb in the back. You can put your combs in. I don't think I'm gonna do it because I know how it works. I'm just going to fasten her down. All right, there she is. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I'm not finna put no water on this, y'all. You don't have to. Look how pretty that wig is. It's in time for the beach. I'm so excited. I'm so hyped about this wig. You can put water on it, but I don't want to put water on it. This ain't even with the band, with the headband on it. So I went to Amazon and I got like, how many I got right here? Hold on. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It might be 10. I can't see. I got 9 headbands for like $13. And these ain't just no cheap headbands. These are some heavy duty headbands. I got 9 headbands for $15. I'm gonna drop the link down below and take y'all straight to it. So I'm gonna put this on. Oh, it's so pretty. What y'all think? It is soft. It's so soft. It is super cute. I'm so in love. I'm sorry, I'm speechless because it's soft, it's affordable. This company is awesome. Like, it's just super duper awesome. Like, I ain't got nothing bad to say about this company. They did it this time. LUVMEHAIR has brought it, okay? So if you don't have it, I'm gonna drop the link down below where I got it from. And if you're interested in getting one, this is what you want to do because you can always straighten it and do what you want. Let me show you what it look like up. Oh my God, I ain't got no blow to it yet. Hold on. Wait 1 second. Now what do I do with my... So I bought this cute little headband the other day. I thought it was really, really cute, so it came in handy today. So this is an updo. Hold on. Look at it. This is how you let it down. It's cute. It's cute up. Look. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh, it's super duper cute. Okay, so let's use the pins. We're gonna use these pins. I love it, y'all. Y'all like this? This little headband, oh, it's so cute. I love it. So you guys want to get this look? I will be happy, so very happy to drop the link below where I got it from. It came from LUVMEHAIR. It does not have a name. It's just beautiful. It's just a nice wet and wavy look. I'm telling you right now, they got me. I'm telling you, I am definitely happy that I purchased this one, because I know now once you put some water on it, it's gonna be even so duper cute. I'm not putting water on it tonight, but I wanted to share this with you because if you was thinking about getting a human one, I think this is about 14 inches. I'm gonna have to clarify that because when I do the video, but I'm telling you guys, this is a really nice headband wig. I mean, I like it. I mean, so it feels good. It's not heavy. It smells good. It's not a, you know, that awkward smell on it. You know, just being able to wet it or do whatever you want to, this is a great option for you. You know, definitely want to go out there and get it. If you want it, I will drop the link for you. You can go straight to it. So thank you guys for watching. Of course, if I get another headband wig, I'm going to share it with you. But this is what's in right now. Everyone is getting them. But I wanted to share mine with you because it is a very good buy. So I'm very, very happy with my buy today. So definitely tune in for my next video on another great wig tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and listen. I don't know if you're doing it already, but make sure you share my video. Please share my video. It would just mean so much to me if you did share my video, to share with those people who are, you know, don't know quite what to do with their hair or what to do with it when the headband wig come. You know, please share my video. I would be so happy if you did that. Thank you for supporting me. For the ones who've already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, because I'm going to bring you new content every single week. You'll never know when I'm going to post. I'm just going to post. I don't have a set day. I just post. I post whatever. I get a new wig or whatever thing I got going on, I post it. I don't give you an exact day when I'm gonna do it. So when you hit that notification bell, it's like A Day with Linda K has posted. So make sure you do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get the alerts when I upload a new video. And make sure you tag your mom and your family in these videos, especially you women who love to do hair and you love to see what new wigs are out. Please subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate you so much. And drop down in the comments and leave me some love so I can interact with you, because you know I love everybody. You know what I'm saying? I can get along with anybody. Any questions you got, anything you see me wearing in these videos, you can comment down below and I can tell you exactly where to get it, or I can put it in the description. It doesn't matter. But anything I'm wearing and you want the same thing, just drop down in the comments and I'll be happy to tell you where I got it from, honey. I'm not one of those people to have where I got nothing from. Hey, if you like it, I love it. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.